Welcome to Consultortrain.com, a portal dedicated to consultants and trainers that work with Accord Worldwide and its partners. The purpose of this portal is to create a pool of freelance consultants and trainers with whom we will build a long-term relationship. Through this portal, we will create an understanding where the consultants learn about the services we provide and what our expectations are from our consultants and trainers. Then we will offer them the assignments that we receive from our clients and partners. Join our vibrant community of consultants and trainers at Accord Worldwide. Here's how you can embark on a journey of collaboration, growth, and success. Choose between a quick social media sign-up, Facebook or Google, or creating a dedicated account using your email. Remember, consistency is key. Use the same email linked to your social media accounts to avoid duplicate profiles. Otherwise, two user accounts with two different email addresses will be considered separate user accounts, and you may duplicate your profile. If you register with your email, you will also receive a validation link by email. This email can land in junk mail, so please check it. If you fail to find it, you can seek support from our team through the link provided in My Account tab on the menu. After registration, you'll receive two crucial emails from us. The first welcomes you to our platform and guides you through profile completion, and the second invites you to subscribe for updates on assignments and opportunities directly to your email. This subscription will help you receive emails about future assignments. We know that you can't spare time and visit the Consultortrain.com website every day, so if you subscribe to the newsletter, anytime we have a new email about future assignments or other career development opportunities, you will know about our newsletter. Complete your profile with care. When we need to assign a project to a consultant, we search the database on this portal. Our search engine picks data only from profile fields. Therefore, you must complete your profile carefully. If your profile is not complete, there is a high chance that your profile does not show up in the search query. We recommend you fill out every field and add a personal touch with the profile picture and cover image. Apply with confidence. Browse our assignments page for current projects. Express your interest directly through your profile to be considered for tasks that match your qualifications. To apply, log in and send a message to @admin from your user account menu. If you meet the qualifications, they will ask you for your updated CV or ask you to send your CV in the client's required format. Sometimes we may also request additional documents, such as a letter of availability, educational documents, or references. These will be based on the requirements of our clients. Once the deadline is over, there will be a prefix added to the post title as expired or completed. You can apply for assignments that are still open. We keep previous assignments live for reference and to showcase which consultant contributed to which assignment. Continuous improvement. Stay updated. Easily update your profile to keep your information fresh and relevant for new opportunities. The most important part is the bio section in the profile tab, and you should make sure it is complete. Support is here. Get help when you need it. When you encounter an issue, you can submit a support ticket. Our response KPI is within 24 hours, but to be more practical, we have committed to replying within 36 hours. Like every other public website, it is recommended to log out of your user account as soon as you complete browsing the portal. We wish to work with you on our earliest consulting assignment.